Hey, what's up everybody? This is Usama here, and in this video we're going to go over the pipeline permissions inside of HighLevel. Now, if you have a team or if you work with one, you must have encountered a case where you wanted to restrict the ability for certain people to not make any changes in the pipeline stages, or maybe you want to exclude certain people from seeing the revenue data in your pipeline. So that is possible using the pipeline permissions. So let's dive into my screen here and I'll show you how to manage this. So in my HighLevel account, I'm under opportunities right now. And if we head over to the pipelines, you will see that we have this key icon next to each pipeline. So if we select that, it gives us a few options. So number one is by default, it's going to share with all users and have a view only access. Now you could make it edit or no access. So it is pretty straightforward. View only gives the permission to see the pipelines. They can still move opportunities between different stages, but what they cannot do is change the pipeline stage name or change the order. So it will make sure that the pipeline that you originally set up will not be disturbed in terms of stages. And then we have an option to share it with selected users. So if you want to share it with your management only, or maybe you want to give them added access, then you can go ahead and choose the users from here. So that is also an option. And then we also have this option to exclude specific users. Maybe if you're working with subcontractors, you can select this option and then give them no access and select the users from here. So this is pretty straightforward. You could also copy the link to this pipeline with the sharing and permissions. If you want to share it with your management or a staff member, that is also possible. So once they open that link, it will take them right here to this screen. Another cool thing is that if any user makes any changes in these pipelines, it will also show up in audit logs. So that way you have more transparency and visibility, and you can ensure that nobody is tweaking your pipelines without your permissions. So as an example, I have made a change in this pipeline stage. So if we head over to settings and go all the way down and go to audit logs here, then we should be able to see right here that somebody made a change. There was an update action in the module, and it is also showing who did it, right? And if you want to see more details, of course, you can click on this eye icon here and it will show you some more details about this action. And lastly, if you do set up these permissions for your pipelines in your HighLevel account, these will also reflect over to the mobile app. So if you removed access for somebody to see a pipeline or maybe just turn it into a view only, then it will also reflect on the mobile app. And any linked assets that are connected with the pipeline, for example, if you have a dashboard set up that uses certain metrics from the pipeline, if you have hidden that pipeline for a staff user, then of course they will also not see that linked metric in the dashboard. All right, so that was all about this video. I hope you found some value in this. If you have any questions, feel free to comment or go through our help docs or visit our official YouTube channel.